Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got a few things from the Mega Drop Shop, and let me tell you something, Ipsy is on the ball because I already got some things. I got a couple packages. This one came in this pretty refreshments bag. I already took it all out because it all has to be unwrapped. So I did that. I got 3 different mystery bags. This is from like the first day of the sale, and they had these mystery bags for $9. So they would normally be the on sale for $14. They're the $13 bags, and you add the $1.99 handling. They're the regular glam bags. So that's what they are. So I got 3 of those, and I also got one other thing because the price was great. And this I picked up also because I like these. This is the brand Aceology. These were $9, and this is valued at $59. There are 4 in here, yeah, okay. These are the multivitamin brightening biodegradable mask. Illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens. These are really nice masks. I couldn't afford to pay $59 for these masks, but $9 I can pay. And here is the thing. If you are a member of Fab Fit Fun, these are in, I think they're in category 5, and they're, you know, $59 value. So you can choose them in category 5, or you could add them on for only $8, and I paid $9. So that's what I've done with my Fab Fit Fun, is I've added them on for $8 because I like them that much. So I think they're well worth that amount of money. So that is very nice. And then I have 3 mystery bundles. So these are wrapped up in 3 bags. So Camille is back from her surgery. And I'll tell you something, y'all. I don't know what happened to my baby, but she's so tiny. She shrunk. Camille, did you want to say hey to everybody? She's got her stitches in. So she's supposed to be behaving, but you know, you can see she's just back to her old antics. Okay, let's see what we've got. I got the March 2022 Mystery Glam bag, the November 2021 Mystery Glam bag, and the In Full Color Mystery bag. So, I don't know. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, this is the, these are nice because I can reuse these. Okay, there's something. Always check your bag because there's something in there, okay? Always look. Make sure when you get your Ipsy Glam bag, because sometimes things don't fit in the actual bag. I have gotten this bag a few times, and it's a really nice bag. It was, it says November 2021. So it's velvet, and it has the Ipsy tag on it. It's a cute bag. It's nice for winter time. This is one that is lined. Okay, it does not have the Ipsy tag inside. I'm not sure when they stopped doing that, but sometimes they didn't put the Ipsy tag inside, but it does say Ipsy on the zipper right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a nice bag. And in this, so this cost me $9. And it's supposed to be valued at $57.90. I think back at this time, all the regular everyday glam bags were supposed to be valued at over $50 a piece. So let's see, I did get this little bag, and I can, you know, these are wonderful. I've had these many times. I've put these in giveaways as well. They're very, very nice. This is the brand Tula. Tula is a wonderful skincare brand. There are 2 in here. And these are the Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. So when you open this, it's probiotics and superfoods. And it tells you, let's see, I don't remember how you do it. The pads have a little place to slip your finger in. Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. Polishes and exfoliates for smoother, brighter looking skin. So you glide, one side, you use one side, and then you use the other side. And it has a little place to put on your finger, and you exfoliate, I guess, really. I can't remember exactly. It's been a while since I've done one, but they're very nice. Tula, you can't beat that. Tula's a great brand. And what else I have is, this was also outside of the bag. This is a brush by Conceal and Set, it says, oh, by Farrah. So I've had this brush before too. I'm sure I have this in my arsenal. This is a 2-ended brush, and Farrah is a great brush line. So I'm going to put that back in its little sleeve because since I already have this brush, this will probably show up in a giveaway somewhere along the line. So we'll put it back in. And then we've got a couple of other little things. We have this cute little thing. Let's see what it is. It's by the brand Lock, L-O-C-K, waterproof pencil eyeliner in pearl black, it says. So it's a pencil. I might even have this going right now. It's funny that I don't know. I think I might have it going. I like a pencil eyeliner. I like any kind of eyeliner. I'm an eyeliner person, like them. And it's great. So it's a small, so it's good for traveling. It's not a full size. And, you know, you would consider the brush full size. And these, I would consider these full size, but they wouldn't necessarily because this probably comes in a package of 4 or 6 or something. So then we have, let me see if I can get this right, y'all. Camille, you're going to have to calm down. Okay, she's laying down. This is good. All right. I know, I've been trying so hard to remember, y'all. Way, I say it wrong every time, but I'm thinking I read that it's finally way, that for me, that maybe I'll remember it. It's just all vowels. I read that it's like the French oui, but it's a little bit different on purpose, and it's way. So this is a detox shampoo. So anyway, it is seal. I can see a seal. I was going to smell it, but it's for all hair types. A detox, you know, this is good like after you go to the beach. I mean, also if you have oily hair, great. If you have dandruff or any kind of problems like that, these kind of detox shampoos are great. They're good for people with normal hair too. You know, what's normal, I don't know. But I would just use it occasionally. But yeah, that's a nice sample size. You can get a couple of uses out of there. It's a good size bottle, I think. And then last but not least is one of our favorite brands is Goldfaden MD. I just wish they'd make their packages prettier. This one is the Dr. Scrub. So it's Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. So that is very nice to have. Good stuff there. Okay, I'm going to try to move on because this is taking too long already, Miss Camille, in this bag. Okay, I've already opened it up because it's very hard. For me, I have trouble opening these. Okay, this also has several items outside of the package. Okay, so the Power Moves, that's cute. They did that to protect it. So this is like, you know, even a handle if you want to, Power Moves, or you can hold it that way. This is nice. It's like a pleather, you know, a light blue. I've seen this in, for this month, they had, I think, several different bags, didn't they? I think. This one is, Camille's right on my paperwork, so I'm trying to, this was March 2022. So there are a couple of things outside of the bag. But let's look inside first. This is a cute bag. It is not lined. This one's not lined. And that cute yellow, that's really cool. And then the tag does say Ipsy. The pull does say Ipsy on it. I don't think you can really catch that, but that's cute. Power Moves. I like the light blue. I really do. And then inside, we have a couple of things here. Let's see, what do we have? We have a lipstick by Context. Oh, Lost Angeles, it says. I don't have this one. I'll have to try to open that. Oh, this is a good bag, y'all. This is the Glam Glow Super Mud. This stuff is great. Hollywood, California. This is a clearing treatment. So it is a fantastic mud, and I think it makes your skin tingle. And it's a great exfoliator and, you know, just a mud. So it'll dry up any issues you might have. And then look at how tiny this is. Can you all see? This is First Aid Beauty. And, oh, this is hydrating eye cream. Now, that makes sense to put it in a tube like this because it takes forever to use eye cream. And this, you know, you can actually maybe get it accomplished. Hey, Blue, come on through. Come on through. They're, oh, my goodness, y'all. Let me put these bags on the floor, get them out of the way. Then we have a couple of sheet masks, and this also came with a brush. This is the Farrah brush also. This is a pretty brush. This is a one-ended. It's really pretty. It's white with a gold barrel. Is that what you call that? And look at that. The brush is pretty. It looks like a latte. I like that brush. I know that I have this already, so I'm not going to open it again. We're going to keep that. And then I have a couple of sheet masks, and these are good sheet masks. I've had them before. There's the they're E-Nature brand. There's the Super Green, and there's the Sia Herb. So these are very nice. And then let me see if I'm gonna get this open, and I'll be back. All right, Context Lippies are nice. This is, it was shrink wrapped, which was very nice. And this is called Lost, L-O-S-T, Angeles. I don't have that color. I do have Context Lippies, and that's, all right, see that? It's beautiful, but it's not a color for me. I actually have on something like it, but this is Pat McGrath on my lips. So this is a neutral, a little bit of an orange to it. It's very pretty. So I might put that in a future giveaway. I do like the Context Lippies. They are very nice. I will say that. All right, and then last we have this bag. And it's funny because this bag is called In Full Color. And I can't understand why they are calling this In Full Color. I did cut this open, or so I thought. Big Camila's mad at me right now. Because look at this bag, y'all. In full color? That doesn't look like it's in full color. It's a cute bag, though. It's a nice summer bag. It is not lined, so there's a string that I need to cut out. It's a nice fabric, really cute summer. I think it's really cute for summer. And then it has this cute, whatever here. The pull tab is like a tassel, or is a tassel. I don't see anywhere on it. It doesn't say Ipsy. Not inside because it's not lined, and not on the zipper pull. So, but it's a cute summer bag. I like it. But in full color, I don't get that. Anyway, let's see what's in here. More bags, okay? We have from Balance Me, Pre and Probiotic Radiance Cream. So that's a good size. Someone was telling me they like, I'm not a big Balance Me fan, but somebody was telling me they liked it. Then we have these little bags, all these little bags. There is by Auto Balm, the balm. This is called Auto Balm Girl Power, and it is, what is it? It's in a different language. Let's see if I can get it open, then I'll show you what it is. I am so challenged with packages. I'm sorry, y'all. I might have to come back. Camille, you're gonna keep them busy. Y'all, I was damaging the package. It opens like this. It's a magnet. Girl Powder. And it's just a blush. It's cute. Super cute for travel. The Auto Balm by The Balm. Their packaging is super cute, you know, like the 50s. Super cute. And then we have this wrapped up. And let's see what that is. That's by Shanna B. Shades by Shan. Sorry. Is that the same as Shanna B? I don't think so. Shades by Shan. You are ready. You are really beautiful, it says. And let's see what's in there. Oh, that's pretty. That's a highlighter. No mirror. Just a gorgeous gold highlighter. Very, very pretty. Hey, this is a nice bag too. And then a couple more little things. And I can't tell what they are. Let's see. This one is a little black tube. This is a salt scrub, it says. Cosette brand salt body scrub, gray sea salt, and bamboo charcoal. So that's really nice for charcoal scrubs are fantastic for oily skin. This might be a body scrub. It might be a face scrub. I don't know. This is really getting long, so I'm not going to find out right now. And then the last thing in all of this is in shrink wrap, so I'm going to leave it that way. This is from the company Glow on Fifth Beauty. Smooth as Silk Hand and Body Scrub. Well, that's very nice too. That's nice for taking with you. because there's a good bit of use in here. Hand and body scrub. So y'all, I paid $37.99 and I got $9, and $9. And they do have some other groupings going on that are cheaper, that they had like a daily deals, and I have more coming. So, but these were $9 each. I think that was worth it because normally we would pay $15 each. And then I got my Aceology also for $9. So, yeah, I'm excited. Got some good stuff. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings and go check out the Mega Drops shop. It's still going on. I don't think it's going on for very much longer. Maybe the weekend is it. I'm not real sure. And if you haven't signed up for your Fab Fit Fun, I have links below. If you sign up under me for anything, you get some points for Ipsy. I get points. Fab Fit Fun, I don't know what they give you, if they give you anything, but you can sign up under me if you want to. I don't know. I don't know what kind of deals they have. I think they have a deal for quarterly people, not for annuals. So it just depends what you want to do. But you can get these, like I said. You can customize with this or pay $8 for some. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Okay, Blue, come on through. It's another cat day, y'all.